हेलो दिव्यांका, गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग मम्मा।
सो आप ठीक हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
ओके, आपने एंजॉय करा आज का डे अपना?
यस।
ओके, सो आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं?
सिंक अ फ्लोट।
ओके, सो देखिए ये है हमारे पास बहुत सारी चीजें, है ना?
यस, और वन बोल ऑफ
वाटर,
यस,
है ना?
जो पीपल दिख रहे हैं।
तो सिंक एंड फ्लोट का क्या मतलब होता है दिव्यांका?
लेस डेंसिटी एंड मोर डेंसिटी।
ओके, इट मीन्स कि जो भी चीज लाइटर होगी वो क्या करेगी? फ्लोट।
यस, जो बहुत हैवी होगी मतलब सिंक, जैसे कि ये शार्पनर।
लेट्स सी। ओके, फर्स्ट sharpener. Okay, so it will
सिंक।
see
सिंक।
sink. Okay, मैं बोलूँगी आपको वही उठाना है, ठीक है? और मुझे बताना है कि वो लाइटर होगा या फिर वो हैवियर होगा, ठीक है? और वो क्या फ्लोट करेगा या सिंक करेगा, ठीक है? तो ओके, सो नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज इरेजर.
This is sink.
Wow. Okay, the next one is the flower. First tell me, it will float or sink? Float होगा या sink होगा?
Float.
Okay,
It's
so
not float.
it looks so good.
It looks like a flower pond.
Okay, so next one is the fish.
This one.
Yes, so it will float or sink? Heavy है या light है?
Light.
Okay, let's see. Oh wow, it's floating.
That looks like a fish. Wish. Like it in the water. Hello, fish. This looks like swimming in the water. It has sharpener. All you have a razor. Bottom. You have this one.
Okay.
Bye-bye, fishy.
Okay, next one is your marble. Marble is heavy or light?
Heavy.
So it will float or sink?
Sink.
Okay. Oh,
Sink.
yes. See? Nice. Okay, the next one is balloon. It will float or sink?
Float.
Why?
You have air. Here.
Lighter है ना?
Lighter.
Lighter than water. Okay?
This is made of air. Air. Looks like
Oh, it will float.
the cute little balloon.
Oh, matching with the dress, दिव्यांका, है ना? Match कर रही है आपके dress के साथ, है ना?
Oh, this is golden. Oh, this is golden.
Oh yes.
This is a cute little elephant shirt. I
Yes.
have funny little t-shirt on.
Okay, the next one is the puppet.
Hobbit.
Okay, lighter or heavier?
Water.
तो float होगा या sink?
Float, I guess.
Puppet क्या हुआ? Sink या float?
Sink little.
Sink. Little bit sink. But it's so colorful, दिव्यांका, है ना?
This is colorful.
Yes.
Looks like a rainbow color.
Yes.
Looks like a
Okay.
rainbow.
The next one is a coin. Okay, what do you think? Sink होगा या float होगा?
Sink.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yes. Yes. Sink. किस लिए? क्योंकि heavier than water है. Okay.
Yes.
The next one is the yellow fish.
Love.
What do you think? Sink or float?
This is going to float.
Okay, let's see. Oh.
This will sink.
No, it's floating. Floating हो रही है. See?
And the other little fish. This is swimming in a water shark. Oh yeah, little cricket.
Okay.
I have a big can. Now what's gonna make? water. My sheep.
Hmm.
I want one paper. I want paper. But here but I want water.
So let's see. Float होता है sink. Let's see.
Whoa! Sink!
Oh wow. ये तो sink हो गया,
This is sink.
है ना?
This is what much
Okay, the next one. Teddy bear.
No. Okay, teddy bear.
Okay, teddy bear. देखते हैं sink होगा float. Float.
I want more
Okay. What? क्या है ये?
rock.
Rock. Stone.
Stone.
Not rock. Stone.
This is sink on road. I didn't know.
Okay.
Sink. This is sink. Sink. This is jiggly. And I have a pony. A little pony.
Pony or unicorn?
This is a pony. This is simple for I don't know. This is float. The little float.
Oh, float.
Oh, motor car. And I'm about ice cream.
Okay, pop it.
Strawberry ice cream. Oh, this is float. This is sink. This
Oh
is
yes.
sink for Oh, motor car.
Motor car.
Oh, this is sink.
Oh,
I
great.
want to make
Another coin. Okay.
again.
It will sink or float?
Sink on this.
Oh, sink. Very nice.
This dice.
Dice. Which color? कौन सा color है दिव्यांका?
Green.
Green color. Okay.
I don't know what color. This is sink again.
Sink
This
again.
is white.
Oh, white dice.
I don't know.
Okay, again.
Again sink.
Oh, sink.
This chicken.
What do you think? Sink or float?
Float.
Okay.
This is
Yo,
floating
float.
around. Chicken.
Oh, nice. And this is starfish.
I don't know what happened.
दिव्यांका निकाल लो इसको. पहले ये सारे निकाल लो बाहर.
Here, water here.
Teddy bear दिखाओ. Show me the teddy bear. So cute, like you, Divyanka.
Okay, well, what will happen to starfish?
Starfish.
Starfish.
Yo.
Okay, what will happen? Single floater. Oh, this is actually not a float.
Little float and little float and little sink
No,
in the middle of the water,
here.
right?
This is cool. Ooh. Let's see. This is flat everywhere. But I have a coin. What will happens? Okay. A motor car. Let me splash again. Oh, this is sink. Oh, a starfish. Up there, this is again splash. And I have a balloon. Okay, this does not splash everywhere. I like it. Okay. Making a bubble. Okay, Mom, what will happen? A chicken one. I'm telling you ones. A chicken ones.
दिव्यांका, आपको मजा आया? सो सी बाय बाय। सो गाइस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में। बाय बाय।